Today's video is for people who think toilets last forever. Today's video is for people who think that toilets never break unless somebody did something to them. For people who think that they would never get a giant crack in a tank and have water leak all over the floor unless somebody did something. The plumber's coming in about half an hour to replace this toilet. A couple days ago I was in the other room watching YouTube, heard this giant cracking noise. I knew it couldn't be me, my apartment, and I wasn't doing anything, so I ignored it. Then I heard water running, and I said, "Oh goodness." I didn't say "oh goodness," I said something else. I put a bucket underneath the leak, and last couple of days it's been interesting. So yeah, giant crack here, giant crack behind here, all the way down to the bottom. This thing is, I think the apartment's from 1975, and this is from 1975 probably. So, do toilets last forever? No. Do sometimes they spontaneously self-destruct? Yes. So, yeah, if you're ever in a fight with somebody that you have a toilet that's broken, you think somebody did something to it. Sometimes nobody did anything. It just broke. It got old. And it's time to bid adieu to another apartment problem. All right, guys, I knew you were excited to have this video. You couldn't wait to have a topic like this. So, but I thought it might save somebody's life when they're arguing over they didn't do anything and the toilet is broken and now they're getting blamed for something that they never did, because sometimes things happen.